Hey, today I have this Sherpa fleece lined flannel hoodie that is going to be absolutely perfect for you. What's up guys, my name is TJ. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up going with this size medium and I think that it fits great. Just for reference, I have a t-shirt underneath this, so the fit is on point, but I do think if you're gonna be wearing a hoodie or a thicker long sleeve underneath this, I'd probably just size up one size and you'd be perfectly fine. But this medium fits really good with a t-shirt on. Very warm on the inside. We're gonna be lined up with a fleece Sherpa lining. Check this out, guys. This is some serious lining right here. Very thick, super comfortable. This is actually gonna go all the way down through the arms as well, which I love. It's not just gonna be in the torso, and that's gonna keep your arms very warm. It's gonna keep your whole body warm all day long. This is gonna be an absolute perfect flannel to be wearing in the fall, the winter, and the spring. So on the side here, we're gonna have a little bit of a taper, which I think is gonna give you a little bit more movement when you're wearing this, so you're not gonna be stuck. It's got great mobility all the way through. The arms are not gonna be too tight. And we also have a technology in the fabric that's actually gonna wick away moisture and sweat. So if you're wearing this, it's gonna pull the moisture out of the skin onto the fabric, keeping you nice and dry. Now with the Sherpa lining, it's gonna also make the body temperature rise up, which overall it's just gonna make you more warm. This is gonna be made of a polyester material, so it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna have a little bit of a stretch in it and make you overall very comfortable all day. We're gonna have a zipper that is gonna be silver and going up and down, very easy to zip. No trouble there. It's gonna go all the way up. We're gonna have nice drawstrings that are pretty long, so if you do wanna tie this tight, you can definitely do that. We're also gonna feature a hood on here, so the hood's got a lot of room. You can pull it all the way over your head, and just by doing that, I can feel my ears staying very warm, or you can just put it like on the back there. That's gonna be a really nice feature to help keep you warm all day. And taking a look at the cuffs, we're gonna have a button on here that you can just unbutton. So if you are heating up a little bit, I think it's just nice just to open that up, or you can just roll the cuff up just a little bit. You can kind of just wear it like that. That's probably how I'd wear it. I think it looks really good that way. And we're also gonna feature two pockets in the front. This is not gonna have the Sherpa lining in the pocket. It's kind of gonna be a little bit of a silky polyester fabric. And we are gonna have two functional pockets on the top that are gonna have buttons in here, so you can throw some items in here, keep them nice and secure. So we can also open this up and you can see how much lining is in here. Very warm. So if you are getting hot, just open it up. You can definitely wear it like this and it's just gonna look good as well. You can wear this out date night. You can wear this at home. You can wear this in the garage, at work. If you're doing any kind of mechanic work, this is gonna be something to definitely just throw on, keep you comfortable and warm all day. Overall, it's just a very nice fit. Looks really good, feels good, and I'm very happy with this. Keeps me very warm, and make sure you check out all the other colors that they have. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.